My name is Prophet Kiabezu Chokwe of Glorious Tabernacle International Church in Botswana. I'm a son of a prophet, and today is a wonderful day as we celebrate our Christmas day. Also, it's a moment also to remember our father. Today is his birthday. Say, Lord, may he bless him on this wonderful day. May he increase his days so that he must continue to do a greater job. As you can hear that I'm from Botswana, his job is not only recognized here in Zimbabwe. So as international, we benefit from this grace, and through this grace, that is how we manage to overcome through all conditions of the spirituality. Papa, we wish you the best and all in all your life. Happy birthday.